do you do? I trust you are doing good. You are doing well. And thank you for being here in our Kids Excel Box community and charity projects. It's winter and the snow is very thick, super cold. So I decided to collect all the collage I have saved during my teaching years in Eastern Europe, and I hope you will enjoy watching. It takes like 2 minutes. Okay, so this is the Vice President of the Philippines, who is 200% supporting children and very warm-heartedly to support teachers and dedicated to support education to children for a better nation, better community, and a productive citizen. Thank you, President Sara Duterte, and thank you, the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, because the Department of Education cannot do it without your support in the Philippines. So now I am in Eastern Europe, and these are our students starting from B1 level, GE, General English. We have starters, beginners, and A2 level. Yeah, this is starter. We've got lots of fun activities and creativity. And we have a very strong community. Thank you for the special support you have given to me. We have a team of editors. They are the one in charge printing our resources. And we are around the globe, not just here in Eastern Europe, but we are just a variety of creativity. We love that. And I hope new teachers are inspired to proceed to your journey in teaching. Don't give up. Fight for the future of our nation, future of the economy, community. That's why teachers are the catalyst of change. They make difference and they create leadership. They create leaders. I would like to say that I didn't get rich in teaching, but I was able to help, help, help others to be productive and multiply, productive and multiply the blessing from God, from God, and the most special thing you found in teaching is that you have this treasure in the smiles of children. You can see light. You can see visible angels in their faces. Money cannot buy that. Yeah. So you can explore. You can explore through teaching. You can meet varieties of creativity around the world. But it's not just easy. It's very tough. And your only tool, your only bullet is trust